Scrapbooking.com magazine presents the following paper crafting department article from the August 2013 issue, The Best Is Yet to Come, by author and artist Agnieszka Beladia. I usually like working with soft pastel colors, but I also like to use bright ones. Then again, I sometimes like to use a monochromatic color palette to create a page. This time, inspired by the colors in my photo, I used a mix of both soft and bright colors on a single color background. I used my own mist to decorate the chipboard elements on this page. I like the effect a lot. Instructions. Start by misting your chipboards in your desired colors. Choose all of your small elements like lace, chipboards, stickers, buttons, etc. Start gluing them down layer by layer. Add your photo to the chipboard frame. Using a hot glue gun, add all other elements. Agnieszka Beladia loves to make 12 by 12 inch scrapbook pages. She designs for several manufacturers and challenges from the USA, Europe, and Canada. You can find more of her work on her blog, beladiascrapology.blogspot.com. She will also be teaching in Canada in October if you wish to join her classes. A printable project card with instructions and a list of supplies can be found by clicking on the step-by-step instructions link within this article. To find products featured in this article and shown in this project, check with your local scrapbook retailer. Browse our premier retail stores for coupons to a store near you.